You guys, there are so many jobs out there that are related to Google that you can start immediately and make money from the comfort of your home. And the way this works is very simple. All you need to do is to acquire some skills that is for free, and in some cases you're going to be trained on how to do these jobs. So I'm going to share with you 5 of these Google related work from home jobs that you can do so you can get started immediately. So the first one I want to talk about is search engine evaluators. Now, Google do not really evaluate their search engines by themselves. They outsource it to companies that hire people to do this job, and in most cases they train people to be able to do this job. And all you have to do is to be able to analyze the search engine, to be able to understand the patterns of the search people make, so that Google will know the type of ads to put on websites, and so that when people search they can easily see the ads that are related to them. So if you're interested in doing something like this, you can go to platforms like Appens. So this is CrowdGem by Appens, where you'll find jobs that are powered by Appens. Now they have varieties of jobs here, and if you're interested in doing the search engine evaluation, you come down here, you're going to see a lot of jobs. You click here where it says explore all projects, and then you're going to see a lot of projects including search engine evaluation. So as you can see, and the good thing about this platform is the jobs are available in different countries. This one is for Saudi Arabia, this one is for Germany, this one is for South Africa, and so many other countries here that you can apply to get started. So if you're in South Africa and you're interested in this one, you can click here where it says apply. Then you can learn more about this job, including the devices you're going to be using and everything, the payment. This particular one will pay you $5.50 per hour to do the job, and if you're interested, you click here where it says apply. Now another platform you can check out for this search engine evaluation is WeLocalize. This is the WeLocalize platform, and if you come down here, you're going to be seeing lots of jobs, just like the way it is with the Appens that I just showed you. And you're going to search through to look for search engine evaluation jobs here. So as you can see, they go by different names. Internet search quality rater as well. This one is for the United States. So you can just be going through to check to see the one that is available in your country, so that you can get started working in that capacity. And of course, anyone you are interested in, you just click apply. You're going to learn more about the job and everything you're expected to know to be able to get started working on this platform. Another job that is similar to this is ad quality rater. This is people that check the quality of ads that are placed on articles and sites, so that people that are coming to view these sites will find these ads relevant. It also helps Google to understand the type of websites and the type of ads to place on it, so that the people that are visiting this website will find these ads relevant to them. So this is another job that is Google related you might want to try. And of course, to find them, you can also go to WeLocalize and Appens like I showed you. Those are the places you can possibly find this job. Another place is Taylor's Digital. That's another platform that you can actually find this job. So once you are interested, you search on it, and if you find the one in your location, you may get started working in that capacity once you make it through to the job. The next one I'm going to talk about is Google SEO writers. Now this job is super important because companies and businesses, they need to optimize their write-up they're posting on social media platforms to market their business. So if you're someone that is good with SEO, you should be able to do this job and be able to optimize the content that companies or brands are putting out there to be able to maximize their profits and get lots of customers. So this is why it is important. And if you're interested in doing this job, you can just go to YouTube and learn about SEO writing, and you're going to see a lot of videos there that can teach you about SEO writing, and then you can start offering this service on places like Fiverr and Upwork. Now if you go to Fiverr, you can see that a lot of people are making a lot of money doing these jobs as SEO writers, to show you how important this job is. So you can sign up on these places and start getting jobs as a freelance SEO writer for Google articles for companies and brands, and start making money from this. Now the next one I want to talk about is Google Ad Manager. Now people that run ads, especially people that are into digital marketing that help businesses and brands run ads, they need to understand the algorithm and optimize the ads they're going to be placing on these social media platforms or search engine platforms as well, like Google, to be able to optimize the content that they are putting out there. So that is where the service of an ad manager comes. You're going to analyze the ad, make sure that it is optimized well, that it will reach the right audience that it's supposed to reach, so that the companies and brands will be able to make profit from it. So if you're interested in this job, you can just go to Google Skillshare and learn this skill. Like, it is totally for free. You get certified once you're done with these certification courses on Google, and once you're done, you can start offering these services to people by listing your service on places like Fiverr and Upwork, and people per hour, even on your social media platforms, you advertise them and companies reach out to you to help them manage their ads and make more profit So if you're interested, you might want to check that out. Now we have 2 more to go, but if you've seen value so far on this video, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're on our road to 6,000 subscribers. We're grateful to all of you for your support. Now if you go to Fiverr, you're going to see that people that offer this service, they make a lot of money on Fiverr, as you can see. So once you are done with this, then you can start offering this service. Now still on SEO, we are going to talk about YouTube channel assistant. Now a lot of people don't really know this exists, but YouTubers, especially the big ones with large following, they're always looking for assistants, people that will help with either writing the script or managing their channel, uploading, engaging with fans, and all this kind of stuff. So if you are interested, if you go to Fiverr, you're going to see that there are lots of people that already listed this service, and you can see how much they charge for this service. You can see that it is quite a lucrative thing to do, and there are lots of creators out there that have like multiple channels and they need assistance to help out with this. So if it's something you are interested in doing, you can just learn about YouTube automation and understand the algorithm by just going to YouTube to make some research about this. Once you're good, or you have your own channel that you can easily manage with other people's channel, you can list this service and start offering them on Fiverr and Upwork, or people per hour, even freelancer. Now if you go to Fiverr, you can see that people are making money already doing this job, so you might want to consider that. Now the next one I want to talk about is Google Sheet Virtual Assistant. This is basically data entry specialist. What you're going to do is to understand and master Google Sheets, so you can help companies and businesses to enter their data. Now data entry is something that is very repetitive and boring, so you have to be careful to be able to maintain speed and accuracy, especially accuracy, to be able to enter the right information so you don't make mistakes. So if you're interested, there are lots of data entry courses on YouTube, or you can search on Google for free data entry course that you can do. And once you are done with this course, or you can even practice on your own, if you know how to type already, you can go to Google and search for data entry practice test. Once you're able to understand your speed and accuracy and you're good and you're confident enough, then you can start offering this service on places like Upwork. You can also find data entry jobs from Remote OK, We Work Remotely, and all these job boards that you can actually find on the internet to start looking for data entry jobs. That way you can start making money. Already if you check on Fiverr, you can see the amount of money that people that are listed on Fiverr charge for this service, to show you how lucrative it is. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check it out. Now if you found value in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe. That's the only way you can help us, encourage us with the work we do here. And if you're looking for remote jobs, especially the one that will allow you to earn like some amount of money every day, you might want to check out these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.